Supermodel. Here are 7 day to night makeup tips that will help you achieve a flawless and glamorous look. Number 1, foundation. Find the perfect foundation that matches your skin tone and provides a smooth and even base, okay? Look for options that offer long-lasting coverage and a natural finish, because as a supermodel, you won't always have time to go home, take off your makeup and change it and all that jazz. So you need something that's going to be long-lasting. I personally love the Fenty Beauty foundation. It's what I'm wearing right now. Love it, love it, love it. Shout out to Rihanna. Shout out to all the Pisces. A Pisces gang. Number 2, your concealer. Say goodbye to blemishes and dark circles, okay? Find yourself a high quality concealer that matches your skin tone and has a creamy texture for easy blending. I use the complimentary concealer with Fenty Beauty to my foundation. Absolutely highly recommend. Number 3, your eyeshadow palette. You can create stunning looks with a versatile eyeshadow palette, okay? So look for a palette that offers a range of colors and finishes, from neutral shades for everyday wear to bold and shimmery shades for special occasions. This is like the palette that I use for, the undertones, but obviously I'm a glitter girl, so I have my glitter palette here as well. Number 4, your mascara. Achieve a voluminous and dramatic lash with top-rated mascaras. Whether you prefer lengthening, volumizing, or curling formulas, find one that suits your needs and enhances your natural lashes. That was my eyelash commercial. I hope you liked it. I'm using Nicole Miller, She's a really good friend of mine, so I use her mascara for now. Support your friends. Number 5, lipstick. Complete your look with a statement lip color, okay? You can explore a variety of shades, from trendy reds to trendy nudes, classic reds to trendy nudes, and choose a formula that provides long-lasting color and hydration, okay? You don't want your lips being dry. Currently, I am obsessed with gold lipstick. Shout out to my mom who put me on to this MAC gold lipstick. Love it, love it, love it. Number 6, your blush and bronzer. This can help you get a healthy glow. It complements your skin tone and provides a natural looking flush and sun-kissed warmth, okay? I am using right now the Pat McGrath Labs. Pat, call me. Let's work together. Let's partner. I want to work with you. I love your products. Hit me up. Number 7, your highlighter. This enhances your features, right? It gives you the glow. It gives you the luminous highlight. And when you apply your highlighter, you want to apply it to your cheekbones, your brow bones, and maybe the bridge on your nose to give you a youthful and dewy look, okay? I use Laura Mercier for my highlighter. I've been using it for years. It just does everything I need it to, and it's just beautiful and flawless and great. And of course, the contour and the Fenty Beauty, Universal, Invisimatte. Super cool. The key to transitioning your makeup from day to night is to focus on intensifying certain features, okay? Such as the eyes and the lips. While keeping the rest of the face polished and fresh, these simple steps can help you effortlessly turn your makeup from day to a beautiful, glamorous nighttime look. I hope this video helps you. Follow me for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.